Smart versus clever. Smart usually means intelligent from reading books. Clever means good at solving problems or tricking people. The parrot in this story didn't read books, but he was very clever. He tricked his master to get his freedom. How? Let's find out in The Merchant and the Parrot. Welcome back to Mr. Sun's channel. Today's story is a masterpiece from Rumi. It teaches us about the true meaning of freedom and understanding hidden messages. I will read slowly. Listen carefully. What did the wild parrot do? Once upon a time in ancient Persia, there lived a wealthy merchant. He had everything money could buy, but his most prized possession was a beautiful, colorful parrot. The bird could speak and tell wonderful stories. The merchant loved him very much and kept him in a magnificent cage made of solid gold. He gave the parrot the finest seeds, honey, and water. "You are lucky," said the merchant. "You live like a king." But the parrot was not happy. He looked out the window at the blue sky and cried, "I am not a king. I am a prisoner. Please let me go home to the forests of India." One day, the merchant prepared for a long business trip to India. He asked his servants what gifts they wanted. Then he went to the parrot's cage. "My dear bird, I am going to your homeland, India. Do you want me to bring you anything?" The parrot replied sadly, "I want no gift, master. I only ask for a favor. When you pass through the jungles of India and see my free friends flying in the trees, please give them a message. Tell them, your friend is trapped in a cage in Persia. He sends you his love and asks for your guidance." The merchant promised to deliver the message. Weeks later, the merchant arrived in a lush Indian jungle. He heard the loud chatter of wild parrots. He looked up and saw hundreds of them on a large banyan tree. He shouted, "Oh, beautiful birds! I bring news from your friend in Persia. He is living in a golden cage, but he misses you all." As soon as he finished his sentence, one of the wild parrots trembled, stopped moving, and fell straight down from the branch to the ground. Thud! The bird lay there, stiff and dead. The merchant was horrified. "Oh no," he thought, "my news was so sad that it killed this poor bird from shock." When the merchant returned to Persia, he went to see his parrot. "Did you deliver my message?" asked the bird. "I did," said the merchant with a heavy heart, "but something terrible happened. When I told them about your cage, one of your friends was so sad that he fell from the tree and died right in front of me." The parrot in the cage listened carefully. Suddenly, he too began to tremble. His eyes rolled back, his wings went limp, and he collapsed to the bottom of the cage. He lay there completely still, just like the bird in the jungle. The merchant cried, "Oh, my beloved bird! I have killed you with my news!" He opened the golden door, reached in, and gently picked up the lifeless body. He walked to the window and laid the bird on the sill. Instantly, the dead parrot opened his wings and flew up to a high branch of a nearby tree. The merchant was amazed. "You are alive?" he shouted. "Yes," chirped the parrot. "My friend in India was not dead. He was acting. He showed me that the only way to get out of this cage was to die to my old life." With a happy squawk, he flew away to freedom. The end. What a smart bird! Let's learn 3 useful words. First word, possession, meaning milik or harta benda. Example, his most prized possession. Second word, deliver, meaning menyampaikan or mengantar. Example, deliver the message. Third word, collapse, meaning robo or jatuh terkulai. Example, he collapsed to the bottom of the cage. Memorize them. Quiz time. Let's test your memory. Question 1. What message did the parrot send? A. Send me some food. B. I am trapped in a cage. Question 2. Why did the wild parrot fall from the tree? A. It had a heart attack. B. To teach the caged parrot a trick. Type your answers A or B below. Sometimes silence and stillness are the best answers. I am Mr. Sun. See you next time. Goodbye.